Hi, I'm Dr. Venkatesh, interventional cardiologist at Aster RV Hospital, Bangalore. Today is World Hypertension Day, and as we all know that the world is going through a bad phase in terms of health, the COVID-19 infection has held us in its clutches, and this comes as a double whammy for patients with hypertension. I say this in two contexts. Number one, we have all seen that the complications of COVID-19 infection, that is, patients who have been infected by the coronavirus have poorer outcomes, have more complications, more deaths, in case they are already having other problems like hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, etc. So hypertensives are at a especially higher risk during this COVID-19 infection. In addition, during this pandemic of COVID-19, many of our normal or day-to-day health issues have been pushed to a side. Many of our hypertensives are not monitoring their blood pressures. Some of them have had difficulty in accessing their doctors. Medicines have run out, and some of them have not been able to go out and get their medications, especially in tier 2, tier 3 cities and rural areas. So because of this, hypertensives are suffering extra because of this COVID-19 infection. So at this time, I would like to pass a message that hypertension is a very important problem. Nearly 28 to 30% of our Indian population, adult Indian population, suffers from hypertension. Hypertension on a long-term basis gives rise to a lot of complications. People can have strokes, brain hemorrhage, heart failure, heart attacks, kidney disease, and many other complications. This is because when blood pressure is high, the arteries and other blood vessels in various organs of the body suffer from the effects of this high blood pressure, and because of these complications ensue. So it's very important for us to diagnose hypertension in ourselves, that is to detect hypertension, and also if medications are required, to initiate medications and take them regularly as per our doctor's advice. When we say hypertension, we can accept blood pressure up to 140/90 as normal and above that as hypertension. Though there are some experts who believe that anything above 120/80 is higher than normal blood pressure and they want to treat that, but at least people with blood pressures consistently above 140/90 should seek medical attention. They have to follow certain lifestyle changes like diet, exercise, not consuming extremely high amount of salts, avoiding smoking and other tobacco use, and avoiding alcohol. In addition, if the doctors deem fit, they may be started on medications, and these medications have to be taken regularly. In the absence of these lifestyle and medical follow-ups, if hypertension is untreated, there is a chance that over a period of time, hypertensive patients can develop irreversible complications and it can lead to life-threatening problems. Therefore, during this time, I appeal to everybody that please get your blood pressures checked. Everybody who is above 18 years of age should have had their blood pressures checked. If it is normal, please check once in 1 or 2 years. People who are above 40 should get their blood pressures checked every year. Those who are diabetics, in addition, should have their blood pressure checked at least once in 6 months if they all have normal blood pressure. Hypertensives may have to check their blood pressure more frequently as per their doctor's orders. So blood pressures has to be checked, monitored, and lifestyle and medical advice should be strictly followed up. And with this, hypertensives can take care of their health better, especially during this COVID pandemic. I wish you all well during this World Hypertension Day, and I request everyone to be careful about social distancing. Wear your masks, not like how I am wearing because I needed to speak, but wear your mask all the time when you go outside. Wash your hands frequently before touching the mask and after removing them, and maintain social distancing and follow government's advisory on various issues about COVID-19. I hope you all stay home and stay safe during this COVID-19 infection, and I wish you all a careful, safe and happy World Hypertension Day.